pulled straight to the nipples. I'm mad.
You just told us what one of your cards are.
Fuck.
Yeah, it doesn't match one
That's
card.
Oh my god, this shit is funny.
You gotta say it. You gotta say the full sentences. No skipping, brothers.
Alright, boys. If the N-word's in there, I'm not saying it. Just saying.
Yeah, it's facts.
If anything against if anything against TOS, then I'm skipping. But anything else, I'll say it. Oh, bro. That shit was stupid.
Little boy
sorry, I was
penises. High five, bro.
wait, what?
My abusive boyfriend who really isn't that bad once you get to know him. High five, bro. Erectile dysfunction. High five, bro. Pulling out. High five, bro.
These days.
Oh, fuck.
Already won.
Oh my goodness.
Oh man. The Department of Psychology is looking for paid research volunteers. Are you 18 through 25 and suffering from blank?
Wait. Oh my god.
How do I know if I'm the person choosing like who
Oh,
wins?
this relates
On
to
the bottom
Toonie
left.
so good.
Yeah, it shows your points.
Huh?
This relates
bottom
to you
left.
so much,
It'll
Toonie.
show you. It'll tell you if your card Cesar.
Wait, how do I
This is right, Toonie.
how do I do I just click it until it shows up blue and then
Who's
that's how
click
it's
it?
selected?
No, click it.
You have to hit confirm selection underneath that thing.
On the black card, yeah.
Oh god.
Okay. The Department of Psychology is looking for paid research volunteers. Are you 18? Are you 18 through 25 and suffering from peace? Are you 18 through 25 suffering from sex life? Are you 18 through 25 and suffering from a much younger woman? Are you 18 through 25 and suffering from getting fingered? I got one.
Yes!
Yeah, dude, there was no way that
Getting
was.
fingered.
As soon as I read that, dude, I started crying.
That relates to Toonie's silly
Oh
buddy
my
ass.
god.
Mm.
Look at you lie. My parents hiding from me.
I can't breathe.
Wait, yeah, I definitely won this if I didn't.
Oh, God.
That was mine. I didn't even care. That shit was so bad.
All the dudes on.
I can't breathe.
One of my parents hiding from me. Side boob. One of my parents hiding from me. Heartwarming orphans. One of my parents hiding from me. A micro pig wearing tiny raincoat and booties. One of my...
What?
Kaden, no!
Fuck, they were hiding.
All the dudes I
It's
fucked.
funny. On the cards is
Arby's, we have...
Arby's, we have. Oh, boys.
I think I won this one too, guys. No! No! Oh! Oh!
How did all the dudes fucking not win?
Oh, I had such a good card and I fucked up. I fucked up, guys.
Uh-oh.
Oh, dude. I feel like Turtles in
Arby's.
my mind.
Arby's, we have PTSD. Arby's, we have the insufferable tide of Islam. We have the 5,000 volts. Arby's. Oh. We have going an entire day without masturbating. We have teenage pregnancy.
No way.
Oh
Like,
my
we're
God.
an entire day without masturbating, we get turtles.
No, fuck that. I'll never do that. Bro, it's every single second, dude.
They say, okay, this is a two-carder, boys. They said
Oh, yeah, you gotta pick
they said we couldn't put blank inside of blank. They were wrong.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Oh no. I think I won this one, guys. It's a double, by the way. She got to pick 2 cards.
Who's laughing so hard? Turtles?
Give me a
I
second.
have shit cards.
Okay, I'm good, dude. Oh my god.
Fitness
gram pacer test.
They said we were crazy. They said we couldn't put the blood of Christ inside of Jennifer Lawrence. Wait a minute. If you combine the 2 up and down, it's so good. If, you if only someone else had that card. Jesus Christ. If you fit the, they said we couldn't put the blood of Christ inside the milkman.
This is, they were crazy.
Come on, you gotta keep reading, Dobby. Pork products inside multiple stab wounds. Sexual peeing inside of Kanye West. This next one we good. Horse meat inside of grandma. Jennifer Lawrence inside of a three-way with my wife and Shaquille O'Neal. Good luck, Obi.
That's a rough.
Good.
How do I,
Yes, let's go.
God damn it!
Pork products inside of multiple stab wounds.
Oh god.
Salmonella.jpg.
Life for American Indians was forever changed when the white man introduced them to blood.
I think mine's like too fucking dumb.
God damn it, why did I have to get this black card? Gosh damn it. Life for American Indians. Those are way around the penis. Life for American when they were introduced into a fleshlight. When white man introduced them into women of color. When white man introduced them to Gogurt. White man introduced them to pedophiles. Alright.
Gogurt. Gogurt.
Damn it.
Whoever said the Gogurt that way literally won the card.
Gogurt?
When I am a billionaire, I shall erect a 50-foot statue to commemorate blank.
Wait, dude, commemorate.
Ooh.
Oh my god, it just doesn't end, dude.
Oh man. I'm fucking.
Oh,
I can turn on my fan, bro. It's hot in here.
Ass.
Alright. Alright, when I become a billionaire, I shall erect a 50-foot statue to commemorate not vaccinating my children because I'm stupid. To commemorate an erection that lasts longer than 4 hours. I shall erect a 50-foot statue to commemorate white people. I shall erect a 50-foot statue to commemorate my black ass.
Oh no 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 no.
Oh no. I shall erect a 50-foot shadow to commemorate running out of semen.
That would suck.
Oh god.
Anybody else?
Oh.
Anybody suffer from running out of semen?
commemorate should be spelled with a U instead of an O.
Oh, I won one.
Here is the church. Here is the steeple. Open the doors, and there is.
No. If the white people.
Oh.
I don't know what I'm gonna do if I don't win this. I might cry. This is a good one. Bless you.
That was a cough, but thank you, cutie.
Anytime, Dottie.
Whoa.
Here is the church. Here is the steeple. Open the doors, and there is all you can eat.
The card always wins. I'm mad.
Here's the church. Here's the steeple. Open the doors, and there is the church. Here's the steeple. Open the doors, and there is the Wi-Fi password. I know who's winning.
Emails.
Slat. What was the thing you made? The comment you made about Hillary Clinton's emails?
No, faceless.
Wait, what happened?
Who made the comment about Hillary Clinton's emails? Slapping those mags.
Wait, what was
If
that?
you like blank, you might be a redneck. Oh god.
It's not letting me pick one.
Alright, this is so true though.
If you like the part of Van Frank's diary, Josh's diary,
Wait,
I should have put that card in the
No way.
I should have put the card in. I would have won either way. No way.
According to Arizona's stand, your ground law, you're allowed to shoot someone if they're. Why do I get this one? I was born in Arizona.
Let's
Oh,
go with
God.
that one.
I'm scared.
There goes my childhood.
Okay. According to Arizona's stand your ground law, you're allowed to shoot someone if they're balloon buzz. If they're poor people, if they're agriculture, if they're dying.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
I can't even read it, dude. I couldn't breathe.
Oh, I think I won.
No,
If you I have a date with.
cards. Oh my god.
Wait a minute. I don't even have to like read all of them. Like I'm.
No, Daddy's belt.
Daddy crying.
Daddy's belt.
If I don't win this one, dude, I'm fucking throwing the towel in now.
Sure.
Oh my
Oh my god.
Again?
What it means to be a Jewish woman in contemporary society. Permanent orgasm face. Vigorous jazz.
There's like they're all good, dude.
Oh my fucking god. Oh, kudos to her.
Isn't that actually a thing, dude?
How did vigorous jazz hands not win?
I think permanent orgasm.
Getty again?
What's that smell?
Oh.
god.
Oh no.
A face full of
Oh
personal.
no. Oh no. I did not just get that.
Don't you tell me preteens, I swear to God.